Is your boiler ready for winter? Annual servicing keeps your boiler safe, efficient, and reliable. Regular maintenance prevents carbon monoxide risks, lowers energy bills, catches minor issues early, and extends your system's lifespan. It also helps avoid costly emergency repairs that can disrupt your comfort. Servicing ensures your system operates at peak performance, even in the harshest weather. Plus, it helps maintain your warranty coverage for added protection. Keeping your boiler in top shape not only protects your home, but also gives you peace of mind throughout the winter. Don't wait until issues arise. Stay proactive and ensure your system is winter-ready. Let the skilled team at Green Heating and Air Inc. keep your boiler in top shape. Schedule your annual service today for peace of mind all season.